Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Cliff Tips, and today we're diving into a cool AI tool that's perfect for creators, video editors, and sound designers. I'm talking about the AI sound effect generator from PopPop.ai by Nabla Mind. If you're always looking for fresh, custom sound effects for your projects, but don't have the time to make them from scratch, you'll want to see this. PopPop.ai is an AI sound effect generator tool that lets you instantly create sound effects with just a few clicks. It's designed to save you time and help you craft high-quality audio that fits perfectly with your projects. But how does it work, and is it really that good? Let's find out. Alright, let's start with how it works. You simply describe the sound effect you want, whether it's a swoosh, a thunderclap, or even a futuristic robotic sound, and the AI generates a custom effect based on your input. No sound design experience is needed. For example, here I'm typing in deep sci-fi drone with metallic echoes, and boom, PopPop.ai instantly generates a sound effect that fits the description. I can download it, share it if needed, and drop it right into my video or audio project. So what makes this AI sound effect generator stand out? Here are a few key features I think are pretty impressive. First up, it offers unlimited creativity. You can generate unique sound effects for any scenario, whether you need ambient background noise. It has also had special effects like fireworks, glass shattering, and more. If you need nature sound effects, instrument sounds, human sound effects, or something quirky for a YouTube video, PopPop.ai has you covered. Next is it's fast and easy. The user interface is simple, and you can generate and download sound effects in seconds. Whether you're on a tight deadline or just need a quick solution, this tool can save you a ton of time. So, who would benefit the most from PopPop.ai sound effect generator? It's great for video creators, YouTubers, podcasters, game developers, or anyone in need of custom sounds without spending hours designing them manually. It's also a solid tool for anyone on a budget who wants high-quality sound without paying for expensive sound libraries or hiring a sound designer. Let's get into the pros. First, it saves you a ton of time. You don't have to dig through sound libraries or try to create effects from scratch. Just type in what you need and the AI handles the rest. Second, it's super user-friendly. Even if you're not a sound expert, you can still produce professional quality sound effects in just a few clicks. Third, it's cost-effective. Compared to purchasing a subscription for sound effects or paying a sound engineer, this tool offers great value, especially for smaller creators. Fourth, it has also a bulk of sound effects that are ready to download and use for your projects. Let's talk the cons of the AI sound effect generator. But it's not perfect, and there are a couple of downsides you might want to consider. First, for more complex sound design needs, like creating multi-layered soundscapes, you might feel a bit limited. While the AI-generated sounds are solid, they don't replace a full-fledged sound designer for high-end projects. Second, the quality of the generated sound is highly dependent on how well you describe it. If your description is too vague, the AI might not get it exactly right, which could lead to some trial and error. All in all, PopPop.ai Sound Effect Generator is an incredible tool for anyone who needs quick custom sound effects on the fly. While it may not replace a human sound designer for ultra-complex projects, it's a fantastic option for everyday creators who need fast, creative solutions. So, whether you're working on YouTube videos, podcasts, or even mobile games, this tool is a time-saving powerhouse. Definitely worth checking out if you're in the market for a fast and affordable way to level up your sound design. That's it for today's review, guys. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more reviews and tips on digital tools that can help you grow your business. And if you've tried the AI sound effect generator, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.